This is the machine pec fly, a great way to target the lengthened position of the pecs and also the shortened position with those hands out in front. The machine pec fly allows you to train the chest differently than a dumbbell or a pressing motion because instead of pushing backwards or forwards, you are trying to bring those hands from outside it towards the inside, towards the center of the body. For this setup, have those handles positioned where they're in the designated part for the chest fly, and also we are able to get a full stretch on the pec. On this machine, I'm on the number 1, where it's the full stretch on the chest, and I'm not hitting those plates at the very bottom of the motion. Next up, for that seat, position it at a height so wherever those hands are in front of the body, they're coming right in the middle of that sternum. As you can see right here, whenever I have my hands fully stretched out in front of my body, they are halfway down that chest, right in the middle. To get started with that first rep, safely bring it into position to avoid injury. So you're going to bring one handle to the center at a time, lean over and grab that other handle and bring that to the center. Whenever you're bringing those handles back for that first rep, make sure you're getting a slight bend of the elbow. As you can see right here, my arms are not completely straight. They have a slight bend at the elbow, and I'm keeping that same bend through that entirety of the motion. Also, to improve mind muscle connection and maximize loading that chest, imagine like you are bloating through the elbow and not trying to grip and push too much with the palm. Make sure you're getting a controlled eccentric, so at least 3 to 4 seconds on that way back. And then for my advanced lifters out there, at the very bottom, when those arms are fully stretched, get a 2 to 3 second pause right there. You're going to feel a crazy stretch on the chest, and you're going to get a really good pump. Also, when you're bringing those handles back, imagine like you are trying to lift that chest and that rib cage slightly up to improve the stretch on the chest and make sure you're not putting tension on those shoulders. As you are pushing forward, bring those handles together. Imagine like you're pushing through those elbows and trying to bring those handles as far in front of your body as you can. Also allowing those shoulders to kind of slightly come forward to get a full shortening of the pec. As you can see right here, my arms are going backwards. I'm getting a good lengthening of that chest, bring that chest up. And as those hands come closer together, I'm allowing those shoulders to come forward and get a good shortening of the pec. Hold those handles together for at least 1 second and make sure you are keeping that core tight. When you're done, carefully release those handles backwards. Let's grow that chest, and you want to do like and subscribe, please.